Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the top 3 technology trends that are currently shaping the world. These are the trends that will change the way we live, work and interact with technology. The first trend that we'll be discussing is the rise of 5G technology. With 5G networks becoming more widespread, the world is about to get a whole lot faster. With speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, 5G technology will allow for more data to be transmitted at once, making it possible for devices to connect and interact with each other in real time. This means that everything from self-driving cars to smart homes will become a reality, transforming the way we live our lives. The second trend is the increasing use of virtual and augmented reality. With the advancements in technology, we're seeing an increasing number of applications for virtual and augmented reality. From gaming and entertainment to education and training, virtual and augmented reality are changing the way we interact with the world. In the future, we can expect to see more immersive experiences and even more practical uses for this technology, such as virtual shopping and remote surgery. Finally, the third trend is the rise of automation and artificial intelligence. With the increasing use of automation and artificial intelligence in the workplace, we can expect to see significant changes in the way we work. Automation will replace many manual jobs, while artificial intelligence will help us to make more informed decisions and work more efficiently. We're already seeing this in industries such as manufacturing and logistics, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes widespread across all industries. So there you have it, the top 3 technology trends that are currently shaping the world. With the rise of 5G technology, virtual and augmented reality, and automation and artificial intelligence, we can expect to see significant changes in the way we live,